G'day everyone, got an update on the CRF Elmofo electric dirt bike build. Just going to take it out for a ride today with some friends with similar bikes. Some of them very similar, some of them quite different makes and models. But I've got a few updates to the bike that I wanted to share with you since you saw it last. Elmofo have given us some stickers, so we've got their branding on the bike now, given that they gave us all the gear. We've done CNC billet foot pegs for better grip. We've made a front sprocket cover. We've done a few maintenance things. We've changed the handguards to this style of like wrap around bark buster style to give us full protection. We've made these foot pegs which help with supporting the back of your boot when your foot's on the peg. These little guys give you like a back rest to rest the back edge of your boots against, and it really helps you unweight the bars and helps with reducing arm pump when you're riding long rides, or if you tend to hang onto the bars really heavily. This allows you to ease your grip off a bit and give you a bit more reassurance that the bike's not going to sort of go from under you between your legs. So they're definitely a good addition. Got them on both sides, so yeah, so your boot obviously on the peg, and then these little secondary pegs provide a rest for the back edge of your boot. I've also done new discs and pads front and back. They need doing. And then I think the only other update is this gauge. So in the fuel tank, we cut the fuel filler off obviously and mounted this gauge in here, and what this gauge allows you to see is a bit more detail on what your battery percentage is. As you can see, I need to charge this before I go out, but yeah, that in addition to the screen gives you every bit of information you would need on the battery pack and the condition of the motor. So yeah, so that's pretty much all that's been happening with the bike. Ridden it a few times and it still is a whole lot of fun to ride. Really happy with the conversion and the finished product. Highly recommend it. If you want any more info on the components or how to do it or pricing or anything like that, Elmofo are the people to speak to. They're the experts in this technology. I'm most certainly not. But let's go out in the bush and give it a ride with some other electric bikes. Yeah, let's do it.